When you're looking at a ducted split AC, you aren't just buying a box. You're buying the heart of your home's comfort system. I spent years as an electrician in nuclear power before I traded the reactors for the dirt and attics of the HVAC service world. Over 17 years in this industry has taught me one thing. Technical specs on a brochure don't always match the reality of a service call. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy, and today we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the GE NS16A and the Goodman GLXS3B. Both of these units are basic tier systems, but they take a different approach to physical protection. The Goodman GLXS3B comes with a louvered steel cabinet, which provides what I call superior armor for your coils. However, the GE NS16A uses a stamped slotted panel construction. From a field perspective, those slots leave the coil a bit more exposed to the elements than a full louvered panel. If you're in an area with heavy hail or stray rocks from a mower, that vulnerability is something to keep in mind. Additionally, neither of these models includes a factory-installed compressor blanket, so expect to hear that compressor kick and hum during operation. On the electrical side, these systems are built for straightforward reliability. Both the GE NS16A and the Goodman GLX3B are rated at 13.4 SCRR2. As single-stage units, the compressor is either 100% on or 100% off. From my electrician's background, I can tell you this means you'll see a consistent inrush of current every time the system starts up. They are simple to service and easier on the initial budget, but they don't offer the soft start efficiency of more expensive variable speed tech. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? Or maybe you've noticed the difference between a slotted panel and a louvered one on your own unit. Tell me your stories in the comments below. This is where you see who really has your back. Goodman offers a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty, but they offer 0 years of unit replacement coverage for this model. GE matches the 10-year parts and compressor warranties, but they also include a 1-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in the first year, GE replaces the entire outdoor unit rather than just the internal part. Choosing a winner here is a toss-up between build and backing. The Goodman GLXS3B has the superior physical protection with its louvered cabinet. However, GE provides that extra 1-year unit replacement safety net for your peace of mind. Because both systems have the same efficiency and basic technology, the edge goes to GE for the stronger initial warranty, provided you're willing to keep an eye on those slotted panels. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.